Hi, I'm Nuris Alicia from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division Dallas Assam branch. If you love black and white colony bungalows, stick with me. Today, I'll be showing you an exclusive 1001 square feet 4-room HDB with a black and white theme in Canberra. Let's go! You will first be greeted by an elegant door that leads you to a sight to behold. Exquisite black and white walls with metallic gold accents that make up the integrated living and dining spaces, complete with dark wood flooring. The full renovation of the house was worth over $200,000 and the owner has painstakingly designed every aspect of it. The living room is sizable with a sufficient space to fit a large sofa and a swing chair set a good distance from the TV console. The dining area features a spacious table that creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere perfect for gathering of all kind. Flanked to its side is an efficiently designed kitchen that comes with ample cabinet storage and an extra surprise, a door that beautifully complements the house theme. The door has become a standout element that perfectly blends in with the overall aesthetic of the house. Tucked at the corner is a uniquely designed enclosed lounge space with a foldable door separating it from the living and the dining spaces. The door can also be opened up to extend the space, creating a 5-room layout. Our common room is good size with large windows providing plenty of sunlight. Our master suite is lavish and can easily fit a king-size bed, lovely finished with marble. Our luxurious master ensuite comes with a pristine bathtub. Canberra MRT station is a 7-minute walk, giving you access to other stops on the North-South line. Canberra Plaza is next to the MRT station and offers a variety of food options. Alternatively, Food Village Coffee Shop is just downstairs for your convenience. There are also a range of schools nearby like Sembawang Primary School, Sembawang Secondary School and Canberra Primary School, all within a 10-minute drive. If you're interested in this unit, do contact me at 9892-3700 to find out more. Once again, I'm Nuris Alicia for OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Thank you for watching. See you soon.